So, I hear you're looking for a way to spice up your grilled chicken. This is the sauce you need, peri-peri sauce. Hey there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me show you how to make one of the best marinades you can use for your chicken. This peri-peri sauce will take the taste of your chicken from a 0 to 100 real quick. And these are all the things you will need. Long sweet peppers, bell pepper, onions, chilies, garlic. I'll leave the full measurements in the description box below so you can check it out. Now you want to probably wash them all up and chop everything up. Then you're going to place them onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper or foil. I'm going to drizzle the top with a little oil so it doesn't get all charred up in the oven. So our peppers is out of the oven now. You're going to let this cool down and then we can move on to the next step, which is spicing it up. Now these are all we are going to need. Some oregano, paprika, dried thyme, salt, black pepper, little sugar, and basil. Is it pronounced basil or basil? Guys, let me know in the comment section. How do you pronounce it? Basil or basil? I think they're both right anyways. And then we're also going to use some olive oil. I'm going to leave all the measurements in the description box so you can check it out. Now everything goes into the blender, the peppers and all the spices. I'm also going to be adding in a little bit of lemon zest and lemon juice from a small lemon. Then we are going to let the blender do its work. It's going to blend all this up and then you have yourself a luscious peri-peri sauce that you can use for your chicken or any protein at that. And that's it, guys. You just made yourself one of the best marinades that you can use for your chicken. In my next video, I'll be showing you how you can use this sauce for your chicken. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!